What it do, Dre and Cole fam, and we back with another biggity banger. Go ahead and continue watching this video. Stay tuned and watch to the end, y'all.
Remember this scenery, but this is where we was at about 2 weeks ago. You know what I mean? Now we back 2 weeks later. We coming to the Riga to check out that Twisters movie. But we back, so see what this Twister movie hitting on, son. You know it's about to be epic. Let's go. So it is. Back for the second time in about.
This is me before the Twister movie. Oh, girl, I wanted to do that.
So what that's doing, little boy? Your legs alright now? Alright, so I'm just like, I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyway. It's like, you're supposed to drink before, but hey, I'm finna go ahead and do it anyway. Nah, he was in the bathroom. Alright, so it just ended. All I can say is don't drink alcohol and see it. It's a lot of vibration and shaking.
Hey, they up there already picking on me. It was a good movie, what I did see. But I felt like, I ain't gonna lie, I felt like I was at Universal Studios. That was awesome.
Yeah, so, man, was what it was. All I can say is don't drink no alcohol and go see it. You don't want that stuff bouncing around in your system, but before that happened. So. What?
So when he had alcohol, how do you feel?
It wasn't as bad as everybody made it seem, you know. But yeah, we this was it. You know.
The movie though, it was.
For Thursday, cause
before the film, everybody, I'm getting ready to sign off.
See you later.
Alright.
I got whiplash.
Let you jump on, no skateboard, you won't fall off. No work tomorrow, no call out. In love with the boy, no fall out. And she can rap just like Trina and do them tricks with Lil' Kim. If she look like her, then I'm him. The lights.